Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome for this channel. Today we are going to present chapter 3 exercise 1, multiple choice question type. The direction is choose the best answer. Question number 1, what are the three basic legal forms of business organization? A, sole proprietorship, franchisee, corporation. B, partnership, corporation, sole proprietorship. C, partnership, non-profit, sole proprietorship. D, corporation, LLC or limited companies, non-profit. The answer for this question is B, proprietorship, corporation, and sole proprietorship and partnership. I mean partnership, corporation, sole proprietorship. Question number 2. What does MSE stands for in the context of business? A, market and strategic enterprise. B, micro and small enterprise. C, multi-system enterprise. D, major scale entities. The answer for this question is choice B, micro and small enterprise. Question number 3. What is one qualitative criteria for deciding a small business? A, volume of sales. B, number of employees. C, personalized management. D, annual revenue threshold. The answer for this question is personalized management. This is qualitative criteria. The rest are size criteria. Which sector is not a priority for micro small enterprises in Ethiopia? A, construction. B, agriculture. C, pharmaceutical. D, service. It is clear. For question number 4, the answer is C, pharmaceutical sector. Question number 5. What is the primary objective of conducting a SWOT analysis? A, to identify market trends. B, to determine personal saving capacity. C, to analyze strengths, weakness, opportunity, and threat. D, to plan inventory management. The answer for this question is choice C, to analyze strengths, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Question number 6. Why are MSEs, micro small enterprises, particularly important in developing country? A, they require minimal technology innovation. B, they use imported raw material efficiently. C, they generate significant employment with less capital. D, they focus on luxury good production. The answer for this question is choice C, they generate significant employment with less capital. Question number 7. What makes entrepreneurial venture different from regular small business? A, their focus is entirely on operational efficiency. B, they emphasize creativity and innovation for rapid growth. C, they use personalized management exclusively. D, their operations are restricted to rural area. The answer for question number 7 is B, they emphasize creativity and innovation for rapid growth. Question number 8. What is an economic or control criteria for defining a small business? A, large employee base. B, significant market share. C. High operational cost. D. Independent in decision making. It's economic or control criteria. So the answer is D. Independent decision making. Question number 9. Which role of micro small enterprise is promotes equitable distribution of wealth? A. Short gestation period. B. Balanced regional development. C. Flexible pricing strategy. D. Removing excessive profit from large industries. The answer for question number 9 is D. Removing excessive profit from large industries. Question number 10. Why is personal management critical in a small business? A. It's decentralized operation among multiple owners. B. It allows owners to remain actively involved in key decisions. C. It reduces management workload significantly. D. It ensures standardization. Across branches. The answer for question number 10 is B. It allows the owner to remain actively involved in key decisions. Question number 11. If a business market share cannot influence the national price significantly, what characteristics is it showing? A. Innovation capability. B. A small business market independence. C. Geographical operation restriction. D. Lack of funding. The answer for question number 11 is B. A small business market independence. Question number 12. Which resource should a new entrepreneur first involved when identify personal strengths? A. Core competency. B. Sales volume predictions. C. Tax policy. D. Competitor review. The answer for question number 12 is A. Core competency. Core competency. Question number 13. How can micro small enterprises help alleviate pollution? A. By using excessive production technique. B. By adopting waste recycling and eco-friendly method. C. By encouraging product imports. D. By avoiding governmental regulations. The answer for question number 13 is B. By avoiding waste recycle and eco-friendly methods. Question number 14. What action-based address neglect in business management? A. Delegate authority while pursuing personal goals. B. Regularly reviewing financial reports and operational performance. C. Conducting annual government audits. D. Ignoring employee concern for increasing profit margin. The answer for question 14 is B. Regularly reviewing financial report and operation performance. Question number 15. What should a small enterprise owner do to managing disaster risk like floods? A. Depend solely on the government for relief. B. Create comprehensive disaster recovery and insurance plan. C. Avoid operation in area prone to disaster. D. Increase profit to offset potential disaster cost. The answer for question number 15 is B. Create comprehensive disaster recovery and insurance plan. Question number 16. Why should small business avoid rapid diversification during their initial years? A. To remain competitive with large enterprises. B. To focus resources and establish one primary market. C. To prevent legal issue in niche industries. D. To reduce production costs effectively. For the answer for question number 16 is B. To focus resources and establish one primary market. Question number 17. What is the key difference between micro, small enterprise, startup and growth level in Ethiopia? A. Profit margin. B. Use of bookkeeping system and asset growth. C. Loan acquisition eligibility. D. Employee satisfaction level. The answer for question 17 is B. Use of bookkeeping system and asset growth. Question number 18. Which factor is most relevant in evaluating the economic importance of an MSE, micro small enterprise? A. Its capacities for technology innovation. B. Its employment generation potential in the region. C. Its presence in international market. D. Its export incentive received from local government. The answer for question number 18 is B. Its employment generation potential in the region. Question number 19. What makes government market support crucial for small business? A. Lack of entrepreneurial spirit among owners. B. Strong competition from international market and imports. C. Weak political framework. D. Short life cycle of small business, small scale ventures. The answer for question number 19 is B. Strong competition from international market and importers. Question number 20. Why does SWOT analysis emphasize external opportunity for entrepreneurs? A. They highlight possible internal weakness. B. They represent actionable market advantage. C. They serve as long-term liabilities. D. They avoid reliance on government aid. The answer for question number 20 is still B. They represent actionable market advantage. Question number 21. Which would be the most significant indicator of failure in business? A. Decline in employee morale. B. Inability to pay creditor or bankruptcy. C. Poor customer feedback. D. Outdated management system. The answer for question 21 is B. Inability to pay creditors or bankruptcy. Question number 22. Which of the following highlights significance of entrepreneurial team formation? A. Minimize the cost of hiring external advisor. B. Strengthening innovation while managing long-term profitability. C. Prioritize individual decision-making over teamwork. D. Delaying critical business changes to remain stability. The answer for question number 22 is B. Strengthening innovation while managing long-term profitability. Question number 23. How does conducive environment promote small business success? A. By eliminating all market risks. B. By offering flexible political, economic, and cultural support system. C. By imposing stricter trade barriers. D. By subsidizing international partnership exclusively. The answer for question number 23 is B. By offering flexible political, economic, and cultural support system. Question number 24. What strategy could best promote the growth of micro small enterprise into medium scale enterprise? A. Prioritizing on the local market. B. Implementing value chain upgrading from competitiveness. C. Avoid complex financial tools. D. Merging multiple venture into a single entity. The answer for question number 24 is B. Implementing value chain upgrade for competitiveness. Question number 25. How could an entrepreneur most effectively evaluate and mitigate market entry barrier? A. Conducting sectoral analysis and establish financial flexibility. B. Rely on family-run management system. C. Outsource critical service to established firms. D. Focus primarily on production optimization. The answer for question number 25 is A. Conducting sector analysis and establishing financial flexibility. Okay viewers, this is all about chapter 3. Thank you for today.